the 100 calorie raspberry mojito in a bottle. A lot of you say we use too much sugar, okay? Prettiness come with some sugar, but here's a drink that's perfect for you because this is low cal. So 5 calories for the raspberries, 4 calories for the lime slices. You notice how low this calorie count is? Okay, this is really, really low. Not only low in calories, but very low in sugar. We get some mint leaves in there because we're using Splenda Zero Stevia. Just a little squirt. That's 0 calories, 0 sugar, and you could use that to sweeten anything. So the calories in this really come in from the rum more than anything else. Put in some crushed ice, okay? And then we follow that crushed ice up with some soda water. So guys, if you want a diet, any kind of diet, be it keto, you have diabetes, you name it, this is the drink for you. And Splenda Zero, you could travel with this because you could keep it in your back pocket. It's small, compact, and you could even take it on an airplane. Use that to sweeten your stuff and you're good to go. Stay tipsy!